Nigerians, they appreciate people. You know, they watch out for media, they appreciate people, they appreciate. He never will swear. They never will swear. And you know, they come out, they vex, they para, they say this. Bros, you be small boy. See, at those states, bros, your local government, Ikpobaha, we run everything about no level. Bro, you don't get shit. We need Ikpobaha, confirm. Ikpobaha, no ready to confirm, marie. Udiera na maiwa. Before you come up for the bongo, me come up for Nigeria. What do you do? Which impact you make?
Hi guys, welcome back to Sophie Universe. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May he or she open that beautiful and gorgeous side of yours to make you see and understand from my own point of view. If this is your first time of seeing my video or listening to my audio, you're very much welcome to my universe. Thanks for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed before you leave. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with my wonderful brothers and sisters. So my adorable, gallant, beautiful subscribers that keep coming back to check me out, to see what I got to offer. Thank you very much for coming back. Thank you for checking me out. May the good Lord check you out. May the good spirit never be far from you. May he or she guide you going out and coming in your household. Thanks for your correction, your maturity, your positive energy keeps me going. Thank you very much. With that being said, I want to share with you now the hot topic when I still come across for social media again. Unto I be wakadugbe for social media matter, so to see whether I feel see anything what I feel give my opinion on. As usual, I always see something to come share with you now, my wonderful brothers and sisters. This one is still on the matter of Abat Obaze family, Abat Obaze versus Smart Obaze and one other younger one from the family again, and then just the boss social media. We be just settle the matter, just like I said in the other video. All the judges, all the commentators, all the many Gbewa squad. We be just settle to my greatest surprise, another of our brother just come out from one pian gbe. I say what you call this stop for this one mad now. What did they happen, bro? Now you can just the yam me say no, they not fit date time. They look for peace. Me one person wey don't run go America, come they talk say man, nothing they happen. Come they say man, you get boys for house where they run show. You run go America, you live on other people children, live on other women children, other poor men children. May they run your matter for you for house. The brother provoke. Can he send? That is when you mean message, educative message. He send now go give her a package and give DHL. May go give her as DHL receive and they see as the thing monkish. They not put them for aeroplane, they put them for jets. Make we reach where that bros they. Trust my social media brothers and sisters now. They begin carry their jets come out to take deliver and they share and make it reach anybody hand. Some carry Ferrari come out, some carry Jaguar come out, some carry some even carry tortoise car. Then they share the matter. So now I say what to do. Me na keke na pen I get. I need to suffer waka because I cook here. As secondary, if you suffer waka, you go reach where you dey go. You no get you dey slow reach. You no get a snail dey slow reach. It dey always dey reach his or her destination. Now I say okay, myself use my keke nape, come take drop am for una. For those of una wey still get keke nape like me, more suffer still analyze am as e still reach. More for still know wetin sup for social media junction via Facebook. Una understand now? So my quick talk this one. Not beside they do a proco. He play one of my best music for the matter. So it's so unfortunate. I know if he play for here. I know if he play for YouTube. I know YouTube wala na. All of them come they claim copyrights, which they get the rights to do. I know they take that one. I know they take that one come off for their hand. But Mona say the reason I say people see the growth dey come. Una no understand, with all due respect. As long say men say dem no carry that music raw as una take do am, una for see the pity for the young child grow na. Wetin be the music na? When trouble come your way, everybody run away. When money come your way, everybody busybody. When yawa dey for you, everybody been just see. They go deny you, they no know you before. Hey, they go deny you, they no know you before. They go deny you, they no know you before. Everybody jare, jare. Hey, that one of my favorites. Eh? Everybody jare to jare. Anything you be oh, jare to. Anything you be oh, jare to. Whether politician, jare to. Whether panebita, jare to. Everybody jare. Jare. That's one of my favorite songs. In plan for the video, even though you know even send message again. Inside that packaging song, all the message dey inside. People will get sense, will collect sense inside. Enough of my own introduction. The video in title run like this. Hey, only the title, the fear person of my people. In title run like this, say man, about Obaze brother. Smart Obaze, you are a small boy. Is a courtist. Is gene. Na so he talk oh. See am for here. No be me talking oh. Mona no forget that fact. No be me talking. He say na small boy. He say you are a small boy. Is a courtist. Okay now. Make I just rough for this junction so. Make una watch am by una self. For those of una wey never fit watch am, no worry my handsome beautiful brothers and sisters. Even though una don fit watch am for another place, as long una never watch am for Sophie Universe, una get am for back of una mind say e never complete. And una no forget to drop una comment below. Make I for still see wetin una think or reason concerning this my brother message, and concerning the America brother senior or junior. Wetin una think about am? Una leave am for the comment section. Please bear with me. Let me share the video with you guys. I will be back.
Let this music carry us go far. Let's talk the reason why we are here. So let's talk the reason why we are here today. When I know me, I always come when it matters of things that really matters. You know, today we are going to be talking to that boy which be the smart or pastor that live in America. Whether na Russian float and go America, whether na what is it called? Whether na container he enter go America, or na pick up he enter go America. Today we'll retell and where the pain and he go ready to bear. I players you are joining us, please share this video. You know, once again, my name is Ambassador Dadamansis, humanitarian peace ambassador for the youth, the man that love peace, the man that always speak for the youth when it really matters, and the man that always love to embrace peace among ourselves. You know, Mama, make sure you do that. Make sure you do that. Very, very important. Very, very important. Mama, you know everything now. Abi uga mumela bawe awe myokpa ije me wadana how will always see no see mana no see ni. So I'm just kidding, man, please. So we are going to be talking about Smart Obaze on a video they did, whether yesterday or day before yesterday, I don't know, but now this morning I come across the video. Say you work for governor, they not pay you, they never pay you money, they not bros. You know how many people work for governor? You know how many people that live in diaspora that work for governor for him to emerge a second tenure? You know how many people that spend their hard-earned money to make sure this governor works? Do you know how many people that have been on social media morning and night to campaign, to advocate including the good work of the governor and the bad work and all those things, even waiting not do just to buy the mind of the people. How many people did you say the governor go pay? So you were advocating for him to, so that you become, if you come, you go call pay you, go call use a dot trade, got to pay you. We are clamoring that we need Edo State resources to be used for Edo State resources. You the America smart, Obaze the small boy. Now me tell you, Ambassador Abbas, if no bother, if you want to know me, not just on social media, just inbox me, say you made me, tell me your family address or your family Nigeria, you know they had. Try. And they tell you, then look how it goes. You don't understand? You say governor did not do this, he did not do that, he did not do this. Bro, why the person you are even talking about, the governor you are talking about right now, the governor have not even been sworn in. He just they appreciate people. You know, they watch out for media, they appreciate people, they appreciate. And he never will swear, they never will swear in. You know, they come out, they vex, they para, they say this. Bros, you be small boy. See, don't stay this. Bros, your local government, Ikbubaha, we run everything about no level. Bro, you don't get shit. We need Ikbubaha, confirm, Ikbubaha, no ready to confirm, Udiera na maewa. Before you come out for the bongo, me come out for Nigeria, what you do? Which impact you make? Who you help? Who you mentor? Who you come out for streets? Even when you see the America, whether na lotion with your head may be like diesel. Your head may be like diesel. Since you did the America, that fucking place where you say you stay, whether na one container or one place, may they go quack you put. How many people you don't, since you did America, you don't empower? You don't know how many the rubbish you are sending from your man that you are this, you are this. Don't you have a boys that still need help in the streets? How many you don't pay agreement for? How many you don't elevate? How many you don't show love? Carry your diesel head, they come out. They talks, say in and this thing, they mention dignity's name. They who born you, where you come from. Just imagine that video. You know, say that when a child is in newsers. America, Nigeria, after our mother's language, as in our first language or our father language, sorry that I'm using that word English, as in, you know, say we Europe, we they call it like German, say Muttersprache, like your first language, we say na mother, you know, not a European mama, but our normal language, after Edo, the second priority in English. Imagine the person coming out on social media branking right now. He cannot even speak good English, and you based in America where they speak English. You don't even know how to communicate in English word or to express yourself in English word. As an American, you claim yourself to be. Fuck you, them. Look what you, everything you talk, no one correct. Whether not diesel you drink, or whether you put toilet, you go to snuff toilet for your brain, or whether you do stupid thing for your brain that turns your brain, that you cannot even associate yourself with people that matters in the country where you based, America, the greatest country of all, America. Why America they toss anywhere they protest the citizens first, as in the interest of the citizen of America is number one priority for them, because you don't get access to acquire a stay in America. You want to cause unnecessary war in Edo State that we have been clamoring. In a month, sometimes I broadcast 60 euro every month, sometimes 50, 60. Lowest now 40 euro. One they buy every month. Till they make, I know they call my mama. The way to me and mama, they knock your man, they my way I do attack. So they call boys, they call brothers, friends, neighbors, every bro, I beg, let there be peace, bro. Afa, hey, see, the apple for you. Try to clamor for peace, you know. You get your comfortable zone. They drink, what is it called? That day, you know, they always call them champagne. The one they buy €1, 50 cents, or 5 they pump. With one container where you live, with your diesel head. Come out, they miss you and saying, you feel name like 10 different type of guns? Can you name 10 different type of guns? That you will shoot guns. Meaning, you are the one, you say that externals A standard come to Edo State to do things for you. Then you are that particular person that I'll be bringing or not indigent. Please, pardon me. I'm not trying to be sentimental or try to be tribalist in here. Meaning you are telling us that you are being among people that are be creating chaos in our state. I may be very stupid right now. I may be very mad right now because I know what it takes. I know the pains and I know the money I burn every day to make sure we love ourselves as a youth, to see the way our youth can unite, clamor for ourselves. Then one person will come out boldly. No see they do an eye. We know people, so many people they do an eye, but we not say then one person will come out boldly, castigating, voicing, telling us that this is what he can do. Bro, who give you that power? Who will you be? You be small, you be smally. In your area, they don't know you. You be smally confirmed. Tell me, hey, Boston, I know so you be this thing. What is it called again? Stanley, I know so you be this thing. Does it really matters in this fucking damn shit what you are playing on social media? Make sure you're a very dignity and respectful man. Chief, sir. I greet you, sir, with due respect. Chief Olukoga. You knock engine. You knock brain. Your brain knock. You smoke diesel. You smoke diesel. I mean you smoke toilet. You know if you do anything. You're mad there. You're mad bonfire there. Sam, first that way don't fit come out to that. I know now diesel, now this way they smoke or diesel. If it come out one time, do thing. Sam, listen, if any governor, if anybody give that boy money, that means you are giving us the people on Europe or people in social media for them to come out to be putting a threat in our state so that they will be rewarded. Nobody should give that guy money. Nobody. Because if we hear our camera don't do body now, if we hear say that boy say one thing, one person give her money, I swear another cost another unnecessary thing for Edo State. Yes. Person cannot come out like that say if he got threatened or who kill you there. Which money did they give you? No, people use their hand buy tickets goers. How many people governor want to pay? Okay, make governor copy social media president. Make governor copy Vienivier. Make governor copy Princess Oshekebo Mama. Make governor copy Mama Boy. Make governor copy Ambassador Amieya UFA. Make governor copy Nusa Obaseki. Make governor copy Comrade they call this my mentor. Made Spain. Newton. The Archbishop of activism. Make governor copy ambassador that old man. Are you stupid? Now, this thing it may not be now, but now you want to give this boy. Now you want to give him a fame. Yes, I'm very sorry for including your name about Obaze. Please forgive me. But now you want to give him because people when you go come out, you can say me smart about Obaze brother. People will want to listen to that is stupid talk. People go because now you want to give you the mad, you the crazy. Your head smell. You smoke fuel with your diesel head. I mean you smoke toilet. I mean you drink shit.
All right, my wonderful brothers and sisters, you're welcome back to my universe. Open and hear everything where this my wonderful brother got to talk. Like all these kind of brothers, now they believe, now they swallow their words, say man, they really need change. They don't tire for the gra way they at those states. They don't tire to they lose their friends. They don't tire to they hear different story every day. They don't tire to they hear say man, human being they can't scores for person picking body. So not be saying a football that they play, or not be saying a game where me and you they see that they play or no. That they count human being 20 over 100, 50 over 10, 10 over 100 human being now they talk so it dey sweet me for belle. I dey get joy, say many people don dey fed up. I'm really happy, and I pray the good spirit protect and guide this my brother, blindfold every evil eyes that will before him, cancel and ban and cast anything wey go make am or anybody wey be like am comot for the positive way wey dem dey. So I pray the good spirits use this our umbrella take cover and cover a family, cover a household, cover the people wey don hold dear for a heart. Thank you very much, my brother. We the good people of Edo State, we say thank you, and kudos to you, my lovely brother. So this one are the report, the hot topic when I get. Why I say my quickly come drop for una. Mona for still know as it take play for Facebook junction for those of una wey dey use keke napep like me. And Mona not forget to follow this our brother for a Facebook page. I think it's still there Instagram. I don't know that one. I don't feel confirm, but the Facebook page name na Dada Masses Organization. So Mona follow am up. They always they give positive message to take encourage our brothers and sisters, to take beg them make they comot their hand from bad things. You still get one of a video I don first post for my channel where content address and advise our brothers where they buy their self like say tomorrow no day. I hope you understand, guys. I hope you see reasons for me. I hope una not take this one personal. I dey tell una now, una no just take am personal, because if una take am personal, me I go take am personal. I go vex, I go cut chain, and I no want cut chain. I just like the way I just the suffer the waka my own like goddess to now understand. So make we not let another people matter cause quarrel for me and you. More just still listen, hear, learn inside, and do with the good ones. More ignore the ones where we feel or think say it don't make sense. If we all do one like that, believe me, you peace and love go reign. We not go get time to tell they boof each other again, with all due respect to each and every one of you. But if by any way, any means, any shape, any form, any of my video or audio offend you personally, please find a place in your heart to forgive me, for love's sake, for peace sake, because I know they just carry on my camera to make you of all people vex. That's not my calling, that's not my intention, very far from it. I just they only try, I just they try to represent the change what I truly and really want. I just they try to be the change what I want to see around me, what I want to see for my community, what I want to see for my great beautiful state Edo and my wonderful country Nigeria. Thank you once again for sharing this your wonderful time with me. I really do appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Till I come your way next time, this Sophie Universe, the massive truth. Please, if you've not subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Subscribe to watch more of my videos, and don't forget to hit the bell button to always get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with my wonderful brothers and sisters. And I pray the good spirit guide each and every one of us, protect our going out and our coming in, give us reason to love, tolerate, and forgive each other. Give us more reason to do away with hate, revenge, and every other bad stuff. Please, brother, don't forget to be the change you want. Please, auntie, don't forget to be the change you want, because you are the change we are looking for. I am the change we are looking for. Together, when we all change, they do the good thing, they do positive things, they correct people with love. Believe me, you, our states, our environment, our country will be one of the best in the world. Not be saying a lie. With all due respect to each and every one of you, please don't forget to share my videos, don't forget to patronize me, and don't also forget to give my video thumbs up. Love you in the name of love, love you in the name of whatever you believe. Till the next video, one love.